Hello everyone, welcome to Windoor Facade Expo 2020. Since 1995, Windoor Facade Expo is China's first exhibition focusing on new products of windows, doors and facades. And today, we are glad to invite Mr. Shen to introduce us some new products.
Thank you. It's really a great chance to introduce here a bit about Haojing Glass and its product. My name is Jisheng An, VP of Haojing Glass. We provide a whole spectrum solution for facade, window, doors to interior glass. On this exhibition, we present mostly our solution for fire-rated glass system. We produce ourselves, and we also distributor for our global partners produced overseas. So first, I would like to present our partner product from Saint-Gobain and Foster. Saint-Gobain is a top 500 company. It is the pioneer for modern technology fire-rated glass. So you see on this exhibition hall, most companies,
heavy, right?
yes, very heavy. This is 90 minutes. In China, they call 甲级. In EN standard, we call it EI 90.
EI 90.
Yeah. Saint-Gobain produced this product for over 40 years. So it is extremely reliable and can be combined with all kinds of applications, from outdoor to indoor. Fire glass cannot be used alone. It has to be combined with some kind of system to realize its function. So the global partner of Saint-Gobain is Foster headquarters, Switzerland. So we also present here a different type of Foster steel profile for the heat integrity glass or isolation glass, different kind for window, door, partitions, and facade use.
So they combine with different profile, right?
Yes,
to make
different
usage.
Yeah. Some is heat isolation, some is just for fire, keeping fire. So we do produce our own self, some more economic type for local market.
Yes.
For example, this is our A-type glass that should be required for a lot of applications like shopping malls or the office building partitions. Yes. All our products here, we have our key integrant material imported from Germany.
Okay, so it's imported from Germany.
Raw material imported, but we do fabrication ourselves here in China. So that reduces cost, but still offer you a reliable product.
Quality, good
yes.
quality, and cost-effective products.
Yes. Okay. So for the system product, we present you here like this is for the Chinese building regulation, what we call the C-type residential window. So it is 1 hour heat integrity.
Okay, so it can stop the fire for at least 1 hour.
1 hour, yes. It's aluminum. It's not made of steel, yes. But it's still with special design, it still keep fire for 1 hour.
Yes.
But this is a little bit more heavy stuff. This is with heat integrity, internal doors and partitions for 1 hour. You can see this kind of doors move very smoothly.
Yes.
Yeah. But still with the fire protection the functions. And over there, the partition, the difference between the partition over my left side and my right side is the right side is the what we in China call C class with heat integrity but no isolation, not the thick stuff. With this fiberglass, our cooperated partner is offer borosilicate glass. So it's the borosilicate tempered glass we offer here can be up to maximum size of 2.4 meter in width and 4.8 meter in length. But still keep the fire functions.
So it's very big, but the fire protection function is still...
The maximum size is still good for 1 hour fire integrity functions. The smaller size can be even up to 3 hours.
So is it more difficult if the size of the window is bigger?
Yes, for sure.
Okay.
For sure. It is much more a challenge, not only about the glass, but also about the entire system. This is a 1 hour heat isolation window. This actually, I should say, is the most safe windows in this entire hall. It is also heat isolated. So that means if we have the fire on one side for an hour, on the other side, the glass surface temperature is still below 140 degrees.
140 degrees.
That means my hand can still shortly touch on the glass without burn.
Without hurt.
Yeah. So we are not present 100% all fire glass. It's a little bit, everything fire is a little bit boring. So we also offer here something for a change. This is our all glass display, LED. So the difference of this screen compared with other screen is it have nothing copper, nothing metal in between the glass. It is just glass and LED light. The LED is laminated inside the glass, so to give you 100% transparent product. So what we offer here in this exhibition is only a part of our product, but we do want to cooperate with the entire industry to just give you a kind of different idea how to realize certain functions and grow together with the market. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you, Mr. An. I hope we can see more new products from Haojing in the next year.
Thank you.
And at last, let's speak out our slogan on that board to our friends.
Okay, so find new products and Windoor Expo. See you.